This is the Phantom 4 Pro, and I will show you how to set up the VectorSave 10 for the Phantom 4 Pro, so how it is attached to the frame and how the harness will be set up correctly. So first of all, you will have a clips marked with L, the left side, and R, the right side. When the letters are upright, you have them in the correct orientation. The first thing you need to do is you need to mount or install the piece of retainer to the right height. You will remove the double-sided tape protection. It's a little bit tricky here, seems. And you will measure the height roughly here. So now you are secure that the retainer will be on top of this level. You do this to the both sides equally, and again on the right side. So it's a good idea to wipe with the degreaser the area where the tape will be fitting. The next thing, you can then mount the clips so that they come on top of the retainer, and again so that the letter R and L are upright, so they will be mounted in the right orientation. The next thing, you can take the tube and you can mount the tube in the back so that the retainer ring here comes very close to this, because the tube will be shooting and this have to hold, otherwise the tube will be just slipping out, which we don't want. So you will be attaching the, and in the back, as you see, due to the length of the width, the other clip holder or the clip C-clip ring will be on top of this part. It's actually okay. There's nothing we can do about it at this point. So now the parachute is mounted to the rear legs, and I'll show you how to mount the harness rope. The mount of the harness rope is done so that you can already pre-mount it to these this shackle, and then the shackle comes on top, and these lines will come around the front leg to the top. And as you can see, I will continue to the other side, and again I will take it around the front leg and bring it back to the top area here. Now all the four harness ropes are there, and the next thing, you might want to secure that the harness ropes are actually not giving any slack, so that they cannot come on top of any sensors or to the propellers. So you can take the rubber band and make a secure connection so that they all come together here. So this is the way they for sure cannot interfere with the props or anything. Now you will take this rope, hold this, and attach it to the shackle. That's all. Sometimes if we think that this harness rope or the connecting rope from the parachute to the harness has too much slack, or you feel unsure, you would like to secure that it's definitely not coming to the props, you can take a piece of masking tape, roughly 10 millimeters wide, and you can secure this rope with the masking tape. The only problem is that this is like not reusable, so you need to put a new piece of masking tape every time you use this. But this also is depending on how you feel about how secure the ropes are. The ropes can be placed more precisely to where you want them to go. But typically the harness rope is measured so that when you have this rubber band here, it becomes snug fit, which means that the Phantom, both proximity sensors on both sides will work properly, and you will have a nice fit. So I recommend, if you have any doubts, to carry a piece of masking tape and scissors with you when you go flying. Thank you.